Kia ora, fellow adventurers! Prepare to be captivated as we soar above Vanuatu's pristine beaches and lush landscapes. Welcome to the unspoiled paradise of Vanuatu. This is Discover Vanuatu, Island Paradise Unveiled. The natural wonders of Vanuatu. Venture into the heart of Vanuatu's natural wonders. A landscape adorned with volcanoes, cascading waterfalls, and lush jungles. Discover the unique geological features that set the stage for thrilling outdoor adventures. Exploring Vanuatu's culture. Vanuatu is not just a feast for the eyes, but a celebration of culture. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage of local tribes, traditional dances, and ceremonies. It's a journey that emphasizes the importance of respecting and learning from the indigenous cultures. Underwater Paradise, Vanuatu's marine life. Dive with us into an underwater paradise, exploring vibrant coral reefs, diverse marine life, and top snorkeling and diving spots. Learn about the conservation efforts underway and the crucial role each visitor plays in protecting these underwater wonders. Culinary journey through Vanuatu. Embark on a culinary journey through Vanuatu, savoring the flavors of traditional dishes and street food. Discover the unique ingredients that make Vanuatu's food culture a delectable experience. Before you set sail for new horizons, explore more travel wonders with TravelHolics. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for a constant infusion of wanderlust. Until our next adventure, may your travels be as vibrant as the beauty we've uncovered today.